Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Bengaluru welcomes you to demonstrations in astronomy. Our Sun has a diameter of something like 1.4 million kilometers. This number is so large that it is very difficult even to imagine this, because in our day-to-day life we never come across such huge dimensions or such huge distances. As a result, it becomes very difficult for us to even imagine such huge dimensions. So what can we do? We can actually compare the dimension of something that is known to us, something that we are familiar with, and something that is also large. And such a thing is our Earth. Now if we compare the dimensions of Earth and the Sun, that is one way in which we can get some idea about the hugeness of the Sun. Another thing that we do in astronomy is considering the scale model, which means we shrink the actual sizes to something that is easily understandable, and then we compare the sizes of the objects. This is applicable both for size and distances, but as of now we are just considering the scale model of the size. So this represents a scaled down model of our Sun. If we shrink the Sun to this size, okay, what will be the size of the Earth then? It comes out to be something of this sized balls that you see here, the blue balls. The average size of these blue balls turns out to be the scaled down size of our Earth. Okay? So how many of these Earths can now fit into this Sun? If we just calculate that, that would give us a rough idea about the hugeness of the Sun. So what we have done here is we have taken a cylinder here whose volume is same as that of this sphere. So then how many balls are put into this cylinder would answer the question, how huge is the Sun in terms of the volume of our Earth. Okay? Now to arrive at this, we can do a small bit of estimation. We are all familiar of the fact that we can line up 108 Earths along the diameter of the Sun. Okay? So if you take the ratio of the diameter of the Sun to the diameter of the Earth, that ratio turns out to be something like 108. Now keeping in mind this ratio, if you work out the ratio of the volumes, we all know that the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, then the volume goes like cube of 108. Okay? Even as a rough approximation we can take, it is something like 10 to the power of 6, which is a million, okay? Which means we have 1 million Earths here, the scaled down ones. That means we can actually put 1 million Earths into the Sun if at all our Sun was a hollow sphere. So now that gives us an idea about the hugeness of our Sun.